our BDS doctor, who was approached by this lady with a pain in tooth, was given a conservative treatment. But patient was not happy with the pain. She came back and she wanted to get rid of the pain. And she compelled the doctor to please remove the tooth because she wanted to have a relief. It is very common in dental practice. And at that time, she has not given a proper history to doctor because she wanted to get rid of the pain. So he has not, when doctors asked about diabetes, you see, she said, I don't have a diabetes. When asked about blood pressure, she said, no blood pressure. Believing her word, doctor has removed the tooth. She went home, came with all bleeding, profuse bleeding. Doctor has done a packing, went home, again came back around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, midnight. Bleeding was continued. This doctor immediately called orthodontist for help. The lady reached to her center and she demanded BP instrument. Surprisingly, that was not with the dental people. He rushed to general practitioner, brought a BP instrument. BP was 220, 110 or 220, 140, something like that, very high. She asked for the suture material, which was not available in dental clinic. Ultimately, patient got admitted to hospital. BP was controlled. Then suturing was done at midnight. Even in spite, doctor has paid the bill of the hospital. The complainant has filed a complaint in Dental Council of India also, in various police stations also. We have handled, but this is common. I have got cases of root canal treatment where file is broken, which is very commonest phenomenon. But engulfing the file also, where immediately endoscopy and removal was advised, went to various forums for the complaint. So lots of cases are implant, very common. Nowadays, implant, because patient paying good amount of thing to the doctor, naturally they expect 100% result. Very common in implant and braziers and all cosmetic treatment done by my doctor. But we need to be very careful in all given scenario. So my friend, I'll advise you to follow a few steps to protect yourself in a medical practice. With my experience, I could able to find 5 important steps, which if doctor follows, can be the best thing for the doctor to protect him from litigation and to have a peace. The first and foremost thing which I'll advise my doctor, to maintain a proper medical record. When I say proper medical record, it must be proper medical record. If you are calling for 8 sitting, 10 sitting, 5 sitting, you need to be very careful that what process you are going to follow on every sitting need to be properly documented, proper consent, proper medical fitness. Wherever is demand, I still remember a case where 73-year-old guy came to this doctor for tooth removal, given a history of ISD and diabetes. Well, conscious doctors told this patient to go and bring a medical fitness prior I do the procedure on you. This patient has gone to his family doctor, who was a general practitioner, and taken a fitness from him. And this guy has given a fitness on the basis of BP he checked and the clinical examination. Tooth extraction was done in the morning and evening, patient died. Maybe heart attack, maybe whatever. And the doctor was alleged. Ask yourself, in ISD and diabetic case, without doing any investigation, is fitness is going to be acceptable in court of law? So proper medical record.